Hey everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. This video is a 3-in-1 homemade pizza recipe. We are going to cover how to make a simple pizza dough and also how to make a pizza without an oven, and thirdly, how to make pizza without pizza sauce. Curious to know what can be replaced with pizza sauce? Continue watching and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification icon to get our future videos notifications. Now, let's start with the pizza dough first. To make this simple pizza dough, you will need 1 cup of flour, all-purpose flour. Add your sugar, your salt, and also your garlic powder. Mix everything together. Add in butter and form a round ball dough. Finito. Your simple pizza dough is ready. Now to make your pizza crust, flatten the dough with a roller. Then place the crust into a frying pan and place it on a low medium heat. Now to the toppings, I'm going to be using tuna. You can use any toppings of your choice. Strain all the water from the tuna and set aside. Also, cut your preferred vegetables and also set aside. Now, our pizza crust is okay and ready now. I'll flip over to the other side and then start with my sauce. This is not a regular pizza sauce. This is my old stew I had in the fridge. Yes, you can make pizza with your old stew. Add your cheese and then spread on your tuna. Adding my cucumber and my onions. You can use any vegetables of your choice, or at this point you can just leave it like that and transfer it onto the heat. But I want mine so cheesy, so I'm going to add extra cheese on top of it. So pizza is cooking. I cover it for some time, and for like 10 to 15 minutes your pizza is ready. Whether this is sweet, yes, very delicious.